Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And before we get into the next video, first and foremost, let me say Happy New Year, Happy 2020. Looking forward to a good year. Yeah, okay, it was an attempt at a joke. And anyway, with that being said, before we get into the next video, I just wanted to remind you, if you like the information and the content, please hit that subscribe button, click on that little bell icon, or you can click on that little picture of me and my beautiful wife down in the corner. That'll get you subscribed too. Hopefully the lights will stay on. I'm doing a video montage here in my car, and the lights seem to keep wanting to time out on me. So bear with me if it gets a little dark. With that being said, let's get into the next video. This is for passengers. Passengers, please use the doors on the cars that come to pick you up. I can't tell you how many times I have pulled into a parking lot where there is nobody around. I'm either in a parking spot or I'm in an area where, you get two or three people that are going to get into the car. And what do? They all cram into the back seat and they open one door. One door. Let me show you something. Passengers, this is for you guys, okay? There's a door right there, okay? There's another door right there. And then there's a third door right there, okay? Just below that light. There's a door there. Trust me. And then, of course, I actually have a door too. So, I guess what I'm getting at is, please use the doors when they're available. I understand that there's going to be situations when it's not safe. There goes the light. I warned you guys. There's going to be situations where you can't get in on the driver's side rear door, and okay, that's all right. But when you have the opportunity, don't slide across the back seat of people's cars. I mean, I've got leather interior, and I have a center console that has air vents down at the bottom, and I really am not looking forward to somebody sliding across and snapping off one of my adjustments for my air vent. If you want to, tear through somebody's car or do whatever, call a cab, okay? But, you're calling for a ride in somebody's personal vehicle. If you want to, tear the hell out of your own car, go right ahead and do it. But have a little common courtesy, a little respect for the person's vehicle who's coming to pick you up. If they pull into a spot and you can easily access the doors, all of them, use them. It is the rudest thing and a pet peeve in my book to watch three people slide through the back seat of my car and use one door, when they very easily could have had one person just, slide into the middle, and the other two could have used the two back doors that I have. And boy, these lights. I'm sorry, it threw me. Passengers, use the doors when they're available. I mean, I've even gotten out where there's been a little bit of traffic and walked out and opened the driver's rear door for a passenger, and they still slide across the street. So I'm standing there left with the door open. I mean, have a little respect and a little courtesy for the drivers that are showing up to pick you up, and treat their cars with, just, I don't even know what to say. It's just, this is really going to be an odd video. I'm sorry. It's been a long night, and like I said, I'm doing a little video montage here, so this is, I think, my fourth video. But again, passengers, if the doors are available, use the doors. that are available to you. Don't slide across people's rear seats, dragging your wallets and your chains and your sharp objects and all the other stuff, because I'll tell you what, you cut my leather seats and I'm going to be the first one to file a report, and I don't think that you're going to be real happy with a seat replacement, because you're not going to repair my brand new leather seats. They're going to be replaced. And if you want to spend $400 or $500 or more, I don't know what it would cost to replace these things, but they're two-tone leather, so I know it's not going to be cheap. Well, that's up to you, but you're going to eat it. I don't know. Oh man, this is just not happening. Anyway, if the doors are available, use the doors. That's it. I'm gonna end the video, and I'm really sorry. Like I said, I don't use editing software. I just try to keep it real and be myself, and what you see is what you get. So with that being said, be safe, be professional, keep it real, and as always, drive on. And don't let people slide across the seat unless it's absolutely necessary. Passengers, use some common sense and use some common courtesy. Happy New Year, everybody.